In this TeamWork 5 employee tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download your schedule as a PDF or Excel spreadsheet, just in case you don't like logging in every time or using the internet to view your schedule. To do that, go to your top menu bar and select Schedule. Once you've arrived at your schedule page, change the date range and the view of your schedule to show the shifts you would like to download. If you look at the top of the chart showing my schedule, you'll notice that my schedule is for the month of June. That is the date range that I would like to download. If it wasn't, I could use the little arrows or the calendar icon to change the date. I do, however, want to download the whole month, so I'm going to go ahead and change it from week to month by clicking the little arrow next to week and selecting month from the drop-down menu. Now my whole month's schedule is showing instead of just the 1 week. Next, I'm going to go to My Schedule and click the little arrow next to it. And from that drop-down menu, I'm going to choose to save it as a PDF. Now my internet browser is going to ask me where I want to save it. I'll go ahead and save it in my example folder. And now I can access my schedule as a PDF. If I click at the bottom, I can view my schedule. I can see everything that I would be able to see if I logged into TeamWork 5. You can view this as a separate document. It doesn't have to be in your internet browser like this one is. That's just the way it automatically comes up when I click on it there. I can also choose to download it as an Excel spreadsheet by going back to that little arrow and clicking on Save as Excel. Same thing, it'll ask me where I want to save it. And again, I can open it by going down to the bottom. And this is what it will look like in Excel. It's not as pretty, but it still shows all of the information that you need. And that's how you download your schedule as a PDF or an Excel spreadsheet. If your schedule changes, it will not automatically update to these documents, so be sure and check your schedule in TeamWork 5 periodically, just in case. To learn how to access and use the swap board, check out the next video.